Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the easier activity for maths on Tuesday morning. Now, yesterday you were drawing and using tens and ones to help you add amounts of money together, but today we are going to be using our tens and ones to help us take away amounts of money. So, let's get started. I'm going to have a look at my first sum. I've got 49p take away 4p. And I'm going to start by writing 49 take away 4 equals. Now, we use tens and ones differently for takeaway. Can you remember, do we, for takeaway, draw tens and ones for both numbers or just one number? Well done, we only use it for one number. Can you remember what number we use it for? Great work. We always draw tens and ones when we're subtracting for the biggest number. And my biggest number is 49. So I'm going to look very carefully at 49. How many ones have I got in 49? Great work. I have 9 ones. And we know it's 9 ones because it's the last number of the 2-digit number. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm going to add another one, 9. How many tens have I got in 49? Well done. I have 4 tens. So now I've done the tens and ones for the first number, which is the only number I do tens and ones for when I'm subtracting. Let's have a look at 4. I've got to take away, is it 4 tens or 4 ones? Well done. I have to take away 4 ones because I know there's only 4 ones because it's a 1-digit number. So I need to take away 4 from the 9 ones I have. Can you help me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we count up how many I've got left? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ones left. So I'm going to write my 5 here, but I'm going to leave a gap because I'm definitely going to have some tens today. Let's have a look at the tens. Do I need to take any tens away? No, because I've only got 4 ones. I haven't got a 2-digit number. I only had 4 ones. So I've got 4 tens, take away 0 tens. What does that equal? Well done, it equals 4 tens. I'm going to write my 4 tens before my ones because a tens number always goes before the ones. What do I need to add to the 45? Well done. I need to add my pence sign because I'm working with money today. And if the amount's below £1, we always add a pence sign. Let's have a look at another one, shall we? Here, I've got 38p take away 15p. Let's start by writing our sum out. Now, as we said a minute ago, we only draw tens and ones for one number. Which number do I need to draw tens and ones for? Well done. I need to draw it for 38 because 38 is the biggest number. And when we subtract, we always draw tens and ones for the biggest number. So, how many ones have I got in 38? Well done. I have 8 ones and I'm going to draw my 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tens have I got in 38? Well done. I have 3 tens. So I'm going to draw 3 sticks of 10. Now, let's have a look at our second number. Remember, we don't draw tens and ones for this, but it tells us how many we've got to take away from the ones and how many we've got to take away from the tens. So let's look at 15. How many ones are there in 15? Well done. There's 5. And we know there's 5 because on the 2-digit number, the ones number is always the last number. And 5 is our last number. So I need to look at the 8 and I need to take away 5 from it. Can you help me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones do I have left? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3. Well done. So I'm going to draw my 3 ones here. Have I finished now? No, I've still got to look at the 10s. Let's have a look at 15. 15's a 2-digit number. That means I've got to take away some 10s. But how many do I need to take away? Well done. I need to take away 1 10 because 15 has 1 10 and 5 1s. So I need to take 1 10 away from my 3 10s. Let's get rid of 1. Bye. How many do I have left now? Well done. I have 2 10s left. Remember, your 10s number always goes before your 1s. So 38p take away 15p must equal 23 bananas. Monkeys? No, it equals 23p. I need my p sign because I'm working with money. Are you ready for a super tricky one now? Oh, I hope so. You are working super hard lately on your maths. Oh, look at this one here. I've got 77p. Take away not only 34p, but also take away 21p. My goodness, this one's a tricky sum. I know we can do it though. So I'm going to start by doing 77. Take away 34. Take away 21. Now, even though we've got 3 numbers, it still doesn't matter. We still need to do the 10s and 1s only for our first number. Because in any multiplication sum, the first number is always the biggest number. So let's look at 77. How many 1s do I have in 77? Well done. I have 7 1s, so I'm going to draw my 7 1s. Now I have how many 10s in 77? Well done. I have 7 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see I've made my lines longer so I know they're a 10 and not a 1. Now, this is where we need to look at our 2 numbers. I'm going to start by looking at the 1s of 34. How many 1s are there in 34? Well done. There are 4 1s. So I'm going to start by taking away 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I can't add them up yet because I've only took away the 4 1s from 34. I haven't looked at 21 yet, so now I'm going to look at it. How many 1s does 21 have? Well done, it has 1 1. So I need to go back to my 77 and I need to cross 1 more off. So how many 1s do I have altogether now? I have 2. I've taken away my 4 1s and I've taken away my 1 1, and that leaves me with 2 1s. So I'm going to leave my little gap for my 10s and put my 2 1s. Now, let's have a look at our 10s. Now, both 34 and 21 have 10s, so I know I'm going to be crossing some off. But let's start by looking at 34 first. How many 10s does 34 have? Well done, it has 3 10s. So I need to look at my 7 10s and take away 3 of them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I can't add them up yet though. What have I got to do now? I need to have a look at the 21 and let's have a look how many 10s 21's got. Well done, it's got 2 10s. So I need to go back to my 77 and cross another 2 10s off. So how many 10s am I now left with? Well done, I'm left with 2 10s. I've taken away 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and then I've taken away another 2 10s, 1, 2, and that's left me with 2 10s. And then, because it's 77p, take away 34p, take away 21p, and the answer's 22, I need to remember my pence sign because it's below £1. Now that is really, really tricky, but I know that all of you are super duper at using your tens and ones to help you solve maths problems. Now today, you've got similar sums to yesterday, but this time they're take away. Why don't you can start by having a look at mild or spicy or hot. You might have a go at doing mild and spicy or spicy and hot. It's entirely up to you. But what I want you to do is make sure you write the sum out and then draw your tens and ones underneath to help you solve the sum. Try if you can to ask your grown-up if they can to send in a photo of your super drawings of your tens and ones and your answers to your maths problems. Well done, you two. Have a great day. Bye.